If you've been thinking on trying or maybe switching to shampoo bars but you don't know what to do with them, you are in the right place because today I'll be showing you everything you need to know from how to properly wash your hair with a shampoo bar, how to use a conditioner bar, and my before and after results. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and let's begin. First things first, this washing routine is sponsored by Kitsch, so I'll be using the rice water protein shampoo and conditioner bars, which are made with no harsh chemicals. These rice water bars are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that will help to strengthen, condition, and soften weak, brittle hair. By the way, each bar is estimated to last up to 100 washes, which will save 2 bottles of liquid shampoo or conditioner, which is crazy cool. When it comes to the first step in washing your hair with a shampoo bar, make sure to take a few minutes to dry brush your hair from ends to roots to ensure that the natural oils around your scalp get evenly distributed to the ends of your hair. This is a very natural way to use your own oils to precondition the hair and to ensure no greasy spots after you wash.
Looks like it's about time, right? that I need to wash my hair. So let's go into the shower.
Remember, shampoo activates with water. So what we're gonna do next is to wet our hair with warm water for about a minute, and also we're gonna wet the shampoo bar as well. So I'm going in with Kitsch Rice Water Protein Shampoo Bar, which is color safe and it is meant to repair damaged follicles and prevent split ends. As you can see, I'm rubbing the bar in between my hands for about 10 seconds to lose the solid consistency so that I can create a rich foaming lather when I wash. When it comes to the technique of washing your hair with a shampoo bar, what you want to do is to gently swipe the bar 6 times directly onto your scalp. So here's what I do. I swipe once the front, the temples, and then I move on to the base of my scalp. And I basically do the same motion 3 times. I personally do not encourage applying the shampoo bar on the ends of your hair or rubbing the bar in circular motions against your hair because that's just gonna raise up the cuticle, create tons of tangles, and overall is not necessary. This method's still gonna create a nice soft and deep clean your scalp. By the way, the scent from this bar is kind of citric and is so refreshing and it makes the shower smell so good. As you can see, all I'm doing here is using my fingertips in crossing motion to shampoo my whole scalp for 3 minutes to break down the buildup and the oils. It's been a year now since I've been doing rice water rinses and all I can say is positive things. Rice water has completely improved the health of my hair in terms of increasing growth and also helping me to retain my length, which has been a struggle in the past because thin hair tends to be more vulnerable to breakage. But since using rice water, my hair has gotten stronger and more resilient to this, and finding products that complement the DIY treatment like Kitsch Rice Water Bar Set is a cool way to incorporate even more the benefits of rice water into your hair care routine.
Even though I just wash with shampoo, this is very nourishing.
Also, a good practice to do is to rinse the shampoo bar as soon as you're done with it to get rid of any sub residue left on the bar that can reduce the quality. So when you use a shampoo bar, and especially when it's a protein shampoo, it is very important to follow up with conditioner to add extra hydration, seal the cuticle, and with this boost shine on your hair. So you wanted to start by removing some water out of your hair with your hands in this way, and then proceed to divide your hair into 2 sections if you have similar density as mine, or into 4 sections if you have higher density. Now I'm going to proceed to wet Kitsch Rice Water Protein Conditioner bar and then rub the bar in between my hands for 10 seconds to soften this. By the way, this rice water conditioner bar is pH balanced, meaning that it's going to help to flatten and tighten the cuticle, reducing frizz, brittleness, and tangles, which ultimately makes the hair super manageable. So the proper method here is to use both of your hands to gently glide the conditioner bar from middle to the ends of your hair in this way. It's basically like the same motion when you're caressing your hair. So you don't want to use a back and forth or a rubbing motion because it can disrupt the cuticle. And if you place the bar on the inner parts of your hair, make sure to switch it to the outer parts as well so that your hair is evenly covered in conditioner. The most important thing is to avoid applying applying the conditioner bar onto your roots because this is gonna weigh down your hair at the end. And also, since there's no measurements of how much conditioner to use, I will advise you that as long as you can run your fingers through your hair or it has kind of like a slippery feeling, that is a sign that you have a perfect amount of conditioner. Now massage the conditioner into your hair with your fingers or with a wide tooth comb if you like to detangle in the shower. Then cover your hair and let it sit for 3 minutes to allow this rice water conditioner bar to nourish and repair the ends of your hair. By the way, this conditioner bar can be used as a leave-in conditioner as well. So if you have curly, coarse hair, it's up to you, but you can basically get out of the shower right now and be done with this wash, which is pretty cool. But since I'm doing regular washing, I'm going to proceed to rinse the conditioner out of my hair with cold water for 10 seconds just to boost that nice circulation on my scalp. Also, if you've been wondering how often should you wash your hair with a shampoo bar, this will depend on you. I personally think you should stick to your regular washing schedule that you already have so that the transition is smoother for your hair and scalp. Now that we're done with the shower, make sure to rinse your conditioner bar as well to keep it clean and smelling fresh. And with this done, it is very important to store your bars in a dry area to preserve them. So taking them out of the shower is a good idea, especially if you share your bathroom because water can make them smaller. So ideally, you can drain and store your bars in a soap dish or in a soap bag saver, which comes in handy when the bars get tiny, and you can also hand these. Or even another way is to wrap them into a piece of paper towel and let them dry in this way. My hair, after I rinse everything out, feel really cleaned, very conditioned. Look how conditioned my hair feels. I just apply a hair oil because I cannot live without hair oils. I'm gonna be showing you my results tomorrow when my hair is completely dry and it's ready to be shown to the world. Alright, so I just want to show you how my hair looked before using Kitsch Rice Water Protein Bars, and here's how my hair looks after washing with their bars. First thing I noticed when my hair dried was an insane increase of softness, shine, and smoothness on my hair in the first wash. I love that these bars have provided a good balance of protein and hydration to my strands. As you can see, my hair is not weighed down, all the opposite. It's bouncy, it feels super clean, and literally when I run my fingers or glide my comb through my hair, the texture is super silky on the ends and very strong on the roots, which is awesome. Also, my hair has a very pleasant mild scent of vanilla with lavender and a hint of citric. Pretty nice. Like I said, I think Kitsch Rice Water Protein Bars can be an awesome complement to the rice water rinses, or it can be used as an alternative for those who want to be more consistent with the rice water treatment. You can use this bars on the days when you forgot to make fermented rice water, or even for those who like the idea of trying rice water on their hair but prefer not to do the DIY, you should totally use Kitsch Rice Water Bars for this. I was just today like, do I even have tangles? No. I just love the idea now that I have a rice water and a shampoo and a conditioner too. I just get so excited every time I find an option for my DIYs on those days where I'm like, I don't got time for this. If you guys are interested in Kitsch products, make sure to use my discount code, which is gonna be linked in the description down below. Also, you can earn 10% store credit when you pay with Catch at the last step of the checkout. Plus, you can get an extra $10 reward if you're new to Catch. Thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. And if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura vida. Smell it. So good, right? Ay, rico huele. Me encanta. Me encanta. Me encanta.